startup Lordstown Motors has said that its CEO Steve Burns and CFO Julio Rodriguez have resigned, days after the startup warned that it may not have sufficient funds to enter commercial-scale production of its vehicles. Lordstown's lead independent director, Angela Strand, has been appointed executive chairwoman and would oversee its transition until a permanent CEO is identified. Subscribe to the channel for more news.